So I decided to modify the console a little bit. This is the shifter plate. And what I did is I glued this piece of plastic into the opening for the ashtray to delete that. I don't know yet what I'm going to do as far as the lighter is concerned. I may keep that. But this one, if you look at it from the other side, now there is just a solid piece of plastic there. Now at some point I may add some USB phone chargers or something like that, or just leave it blank. I didn't want to waste that space and install the ashtray. I think that's a total waste of space. And at some point, if someone wanted to remove that, of course it could be done quite easily without damaging the frame for the ashtray. And here it is, by the way. Looks pretty horrible. And again, there's no need for that. The lighter, on the other hand, I polished that, and that is looking a lot better. So again, I may install it, but the jury is still out on that. So anyway, this is still very fresh, so I'm going to let it cure for a good 4 to 6 hours, and we'll see again in the future what I do with it. I also spray painted this shifter boot with SEM gloss black, or SEM, and it turned out very, very nice. The leather or vinyl, whatever this is, still very pliable, so that is not an issue, and it looks great. And saved me a few bucks. Instead of buying a new boot, I can certainly reuse this one. So again, SEM gloss black, and I'll try to provide a link for you guys. I buy it from Amazon. Whenever you have a plastic threaded stud that has stripped, all you have to do is take a zip tie and insert that in there, maybe add a touch of crazy glue to keep it in place, and that will give you enough meat inside that threaded stud that is stripped, so you can properly attach whatever screw that you need to secure there. That is a very easy fix. Okay, so I had some leftover drawer liner material, and I also cover the base of the jack just to make it a little quieter if possible once it's in the vehicle. So I know it's a little bit extreme, but I'm always trying to eliminate as much noise as possible. And also I may opt to do the same thing that I did with my 76, which was to eliminate the spare tire. So that's a possibility. I would remove about 50 pounds of dead weight. I'm still gonna keep the jack in there just in case, and to keep the car all there, but we'll see what I do. But hopefully that'll help a little bit, and it looks pretty good.